Welcome to Music Mind Tracks. In this short video, we'd like to introduce you to a few of the features of our music search tool to enhance your browsing experience. As a guest of our website, you can listen to a streaming, compressed version of our license-ready exclusive tracks. Music Search offers you up to 6 different ways of browsing our collections directly from the Music Search homepage. In the centrally located info pane, you can browse our collections in an easy-to-use cover flow format, play a randomly selected track, or choose to display a randomly selected collection. In the navigation pane on the left, you have 2 additional options of browsing: Albums View and Styles View. In Albums View, you can see organized lists of our music library or artist catalog collections. The majority of our music library consists of instrumental pieces composed with synchronization to picture in mind, and is organized into thematic collections. Our artist catalog is a collection of various works by established bands and artists from around the world, and is organized by artist name for your browsing convenience.
Well, somewhere in between,
In Styles View, you can select a specific musical genre or genres and quickly see which of our collections are geared towards the style you've chosen. This covers the basic layout of Music Search, but its most important function is our built-in search engine. Our unique search engine system gives you the ability to execute simple searches with 1 or 2 keywords, or complex searches with many keywords. Complex searches can be an extremely easy way to narrow your search for music down to a single track in our system. To demonstrate the power and flexibility of Music Search, we will start with a basic search, retrieving nearly 200 results, and end with a refined, complex search, yielding only 5 results. Say that we're looking for a track to place in a TV commercial. Let's use advertisement as our first keyword and press enter. Our search has pulled 180 tracks from the Music Search system, 8 pages of results. You can go through from page to page here in the lower right-hand corner of the info pane. You can choose to display newest releases first, or sort results in alphabetical order. We strongly suggest you use alphabetical sorting. This is done by selecting the A through Z icon next to the word sort in the center of the info pane. Alphabetical sorting will provide a more balanced representation of catalog and library tracks, and will ultimately lead to a better search experience. In the info pane, we can see track names, which collection each track is from, the length of the track, and an in-depth description of the track itself. This track could work in a 15 or 30-second spot very easily. Let's expand on this example and see some of the great features of the Music Search engine. I'd like to have a piano featured in this spot, so we'll add piano as a keyword. There's our piano feature, but suppose we want the piano in our spot to have an uplifting melodic line. Let's add uplifting to our search keywords to refine the search and see what happens. As you can see, the track is an upbeat, bright piece with an uplifting piano melody. We are already down to 20 search results from 180 simply by adding a few more descriptive keywords. To add another layer of complexity to this example, let's say that we're looking for a piece of music for a luxury car commercial. We'd like our piano feature to be uplifting, but we also want to accentuate the prestige and elegance of a luxury car by featuring a dramatic piece of music in our spot. Let's add dramatic as a keyword and see what happens. This track, Hope Within 60 Seconds, fits all of our keywords perfectly. Our search results are down to 5 tracks, 3 of which are alternate cuts of 1 composition. Music Search took our results from 180 tracks down to 3 pieces of music by way of a complex search. As denoted in the title of the track, this is a 60-second edit, or alternate track, of a longer composition. If we click on the collection that this track belongs to, LIB-113 in this case, we can scroll down and find the original track called Hope Within, which is just under 2 minutes long. Alternate tracks range from instrumental remixes to short commercial edits for use in advertising. These cuts are separated from original compositions by a bright orange bar labeled Alternate Tracks in the info pane when browsing a collection. You can also click on the album info text in the info pane to see a detailed description of the collection, which we encourage. When browsing a collection, the best place to start and to be introduced to the collection at hand is by reading the CD description. Our keywords are organized into dozens of groups with incredible variation. For instance, the search from our example, advertisement, piano, uplifting, dramatic, could have been executed by typing jingle, piano, inspirational, emotional, or commercial, piano, inspiring, tension, where the only constant is the word piano, as that's the instrument